What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, support. Appreciate. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. That's right, man. Freestyle cooking with Streets. We get it down here. A lot of dope recipes. Having fun. Getting it in. Let's do it. Alright? So today, y'all, doing another easy one. Just making some collard greens. As you can see, up in the sink, you know what I mean? I've been soaking my greens. I done cleaned them, rinsed them off, let them soak. About to take them out. And like always, I always bring y'all in, like when I'm in the middle of something, or right when sometimes I'll start something and then break out the camera. Just to share it with y'all. You feel me? I did a collard green video a while back. And it's like, and I'm doing another one because there's so many different ways you can make collard greens and how long to cook collard greens to get like the meal you want. And I always find myself making it a different kind of way. You know what I mean? Depending on time, depending on what I want to do, depending on taste. So I'm just sharing with y'all another way I make them. Alright? But you can still check out one of my other videos where I do collard greens. And you know, check me out. Alright? So we're going to go ahead and get these up out the sink. Like I said, I've been letting them soak. I done rinsed them. I done let them soak for about a half hour. We're about to take them out. Once you got your greens clean, real clean and ready to go, we're going to start to cut them up. Now what we want to do is we want to cut off the stem. Now, if you're somebody who likes like a more fibrous collard greens with the pieces, I just normally clip off the end right here and keep the rest of the stem, which is what we're going to do. But you can always cut it all the way out if you just want the leaves. You feel me? But I'm just going to cut the ends off like that and keep the rest. I like to have those small pieces of stem in my collard greens. But you can just go ahead and cut it out. Like I'll show you, I'll do one. So I'll show you if you want to cut it out. You got to do this, that. And boom, you can cut it out just like that if you don't want the stem. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and continue these and come back. Now once I got all my stems cut off, all my ends cut off, and you got all your leaves, you're just gonna go ahead and take a pile at a time and roll them up like so, and just cut. That, y'all. Alright, cut like that. Get another pan. After your greens is chopped up, like so, like I got all mine chopped up, okay? You want to go ahead and chop up some smoked turkey, whether it's necks, wings, you know. Get some smoked turkey, y'all. We're going to add this to it, but you can go meatless if you're not a meat person. But we putting some smoked turkey in there, heating up my war pot. This is my war pot, y'all. This pot be rumbling for me right here. And I'm starting to get it hot. And I'm going to add maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil, avocado oil, whatever you got. We're going to have it on a medium heat. Okay, next, once your pot is heated up, you want to add some onion, chopped onion to it, to your oil. And also some chopped fresh garlic. I kind of should have told y'all that we needed this at the beginning of the video, but I had already had everything chopped and ready. So I kind of just brought y'all in while I was starting. Now what we want to do is we want to sweat this. So you want to have it on a medium and sweat it. You don't want to burn your garlic, cook your garlic. Once your pan is hot, if it's too hot, turn the heat down some. And we're going to sweat these. Oh, this smells so good, man. I just love when the onions is caramelizing a little bit and the garlic, it just smells so good. Now, while we going ahead sweating these down, you want to go ahead and add your smoked turkey. Stir that in. We're going to get a little saute going on our smoked turkey. And I put my smoked turkey, y'all, about like 15 minutes into sweating the onions and the garlic. Alright, after about 10 more minutes of sauteing the meat, I'm going to go ahead and add some water. And we're going to just put enough water, you know, to almost cover my meat. Also, I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. I got some chicken bouillon seasoning. I'm going to add about a tablespoon. Okay, then I'm going to bring this back up to a high to get it boiling. And we're going to cook this for about 40 minutes. Okay? Of course, checking on it to make sure your water didn't evaporate all out, but it shouldn't. But we kind of want to cook it till the meat starts to get a little tender, it starts to easily pull away from the bone. Alright? Alright, y'all. It's been 45 minutes. Oh, it's smelling good. This broth is coming together so nice. Alright. Meat starting to come off a little bit just like we want. Okay, so now all these greens, we're going to put them in a little bit at a time. Trust me, y'all, don't worry about it. They will go down and shrink. So we'll try to get half of them in there right now. There we go. Top back on it. Alright, and you want to get that a few minutes till it starts to shrink down, then add the rest of your greens. Okay, that didn't take long at all, just a few minutes. You see it started to shrink down. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest. And this is just 2 bunches of greens, y'all, that I'm using. Not a whole lot. Alright, put the top back on there. Now what we want to do is, you want to turn your heat down to a medium and kind of let this simmer and cook. And in a few minutes, we're going to add some seasoning. Let's do it! Alright, y'all, smelling good. Alright, now we're going to get some seasonings up in here. First, I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of kosher salt. Next, I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of some cracked black pepper. Also going to put in a tablespoon of the granulated garlic. Also going want to add a tablespoon of granulated onion powder. Also going to put a tablespoon of some adobo seasoning. And a teaspoon of seasoning salt. And a couple teaspoons of some red pepper flakes. Yeah, it smells good. Go ahead and stir this up. It's coming together, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna put my top back on it, let this simmer a little bit longer, maybe another 20 minutes, man. We'll be ready to go. And almost forgot, y'all. Almost forgot. I want to add a tablespoon of some apple cider vinegar. Oh yeah. We done, y'all. Our greens is done, man. You see the meat coming off the bone. That's where we want it. That's where we want it, y'all. Smelling so good. And that's it, man. Real simple, man. Just had to share this with y'all. A little quick recipe, man. For some greens. You feel me? I can get rid of this bone. I can get rid of that. We got the meat all lovely up in there. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that bone too. Let's get that bone right there. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Alright, so we'll get this on the plate, man. Get on out of here, man. Boom. And there we go, y'all. Plate done. Got our greens. I had some chicken. So the greens was just going to be my side, topping to my chicken. But look at the greens, though. Look at the smoked turkey, man. Oh, yeah, man. I'm about to go in on this, y'all. So I hope y'all try these greens, man. And y'all can eat these greens with any sides or anything y'all doing. Chicken, steak, whatever. You know what I mean? Or doing it like I'm doing it with the chicken. Maybe I'll do this recipe for y'all one day. But, you know, please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell. Try this out, man. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. And I'm about to go in on this. Holla.